Rubik's Cube genius.
Some people
Let's
said that
check it
the
out.
word AI means Asian intelligence, and this guy is
Asian
here to prove the same.
intelligence?
This is no usual
I
Rubik's
love that
Cube
one. Hit
solving.
the like
Bro is
button.
gonna push it to the extreme.
Okay.
正在打乱，请勿触碰设备。
By the way, only smart people will be able to hit
After
the
he got a
subscribe
random
button of
shuffle
this
from the
video.
machine, he's now trying to steady the move.
If you're not smart,
to
you
solve
won't
it
be
back,
able to
but
subscribe,
do
but
something
if you're
else,
smart,
and this
you will.
blow your
Just try
mind.
it.
After
Let
using
me know in comments.
100% of his mind, he is ready for the real challenge.
Okay. Black. Bro,
Bro
what?
doesn't even need to open his eyes.
Photographic memory, right?
And
Wait.
while he is removing the black layer, I want you to remember what happened at the start of the video. Because it made his work nearly impossible, and after draining out the black color, he came up with this. They are matching like some twins. Let's help him go viral by dropping a like.
Bro, no way! Hit the like button.